Hello students, today we are going to continue our lesson The Cop and the Anthem, which writer is O. Henry. And in this story, The Cop and Anthem, there was a character named Soapy. He has a criminal background. He makes different plans to re-enter the prison as he has no shelter to protect himself from the severe winter. But when he execute his first plan, that plan was failed. Now he execute his another plan. The passage is on the page number 29. At a corner of 6th Avenue, electric lights and cunningly displayed wares behind plate glass made shop window attractive. Okay, at the corner of 6th Avenue, there was a shop, and that shop window was very attractive because under that, because an electric lights displayed the wares behind the plate glass, which make that shop very attractive. Sophie took a stone and dashed it through the glass. Now, Sophie took a stone and he dashed it through the glass. This was his plan. If the glass broken, then people came running around the corner with a policeman in the lead. It means people came around running around the corner, and there was also a policeman. Sophie stood still with his hands in his pockets and smiled at the sight of brass buttons. Brass buttons stand for policeman. Okay. When Sophie took a stone and dashed it through the glass broken. The glass had broken, but Sophie did not fly away from that place. He stood there. He stood there with his hands in his pockets, and when he saw the policeman was there, he he become smile, or he smiled at that sight. Where's the man that done that? Inquired the officer agitatedly. Agitatedly. It means agitatedly. It means in trouble or nervous manner. That policeman inquired in trouble or in trouble. That where was the man who broke that glass of window? Okay. Don't you think that I might have don't you think that I might have had something to do with it? Sophie said with friendly voice, as one greets good fortune. Now Sophie thought that it was good for him when he said to the policeman that he did not think that he might have had something to do with it. His voice was very friendly because he think that he welcome his future. Okay. The policeman refused to accept Sophie even as a clue. But the policeman refused to accept Sophie as a suspected person. Men who smash window do not remain to chat with the police. What was the reason? Because if someone committed a crime, then he was not able to chat with policeman. He tried to run away from that place, but Sophie stood there, the pocket in Sophie stood there with his hand in his pocket and smiled at that sight. And when he asked the policeman that why do you not think that the thing was done by me also, then the policeman refused to accept the Sophie even as a clue, because men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. They take to their heels. It means they run away from that place. The policeman saw a policeman saw a man halfway down the block running to catch a car. At that time, the policeman saw that a man halfway down, and he was running to catch a car. With drawn club, he joined in the pursuit. When he saw that man was running down to catch the car, the policeman also pursued the person, and Sophie, with disgust in his heart, drifted along, twice unsuccessful. Second time he become unsuccessful, because the policeman refused to accept the Sophie as a suspected person, and he run away, and the policeman pursued the person who was running to catch a car, and that's why the second attempt of Sophie become unsuccessful. Okay. Thereafter, on the opposite side of the street was the restaurant of no great pretensions. Okay, now on the opposite side of that shop, there was a restaurant which is not so pretensions. It catered to large appetites and modest purses. Okay, this restaurant is good for the person who have no money, who have less money in their pocket, but the restaurant can the restaurant is ready to satisfy their hunger. Okay, its crockery atmosphere were thick, its soup and napery thin. Okay, it means the restaurant was so because its crockery and atmosphere were very thick, its soup and napery thin. Soup and napery, that means tablecloth. The tablecloth of the restaurant is as thin as their soup. Okay, into the place Soapy betook himself into the without challenge. Betook, it means to cause oneself to go, and that's why Soapy can easily entered in that restaurant. At the table he sat. At the table he sat and consumed beef stock, flapjacks, donuts, and pie. These are the food items. Okay, and then he told the waiter the fact that the minute coins and himself were total stranger. Okay, after eating the variety of the food items, he told the waiter that he has no money and himself were total stranger. Now, now get busy and call cop, said Soapy. Now Soapy wanted that the waiter called the policeman. And policeman came there and took Soapy with him in prison. That's why he asked the waiter that call a cop. Cop means policeman, and don't keep a gentleman waiting. He called himself a gentleman and asked the waiter that call the policeman because I don't want to wait. Okay, no cab for you, no cab for you, said the waiter with voice like butter cakes and eyes are like a cherry in the Manhattan cocktail. Hey con. That is the काय म्हणू आपण त्याला शिवी आहे ही हे con. Okay, the waiter said that it is not a requirement of policeman for you, and this sentence or these words is said by the waiter like a butter cakes, but his eyes are like a cherry in the Manhattan cocktail. Okay, neatly upon his left ear, neatly upon his left ear on the callous pavement. It means callous, it means very hard. Pavement, the path, footpath जिसे कहेंगे. Okay, the waiter left his ear on the callous pavement. Two waiters pitched Soapy. Two waiters pitch threw Soapy on that pavement. He arose joint by joint as a carpenter rules opens and dusted his clothes. Okay, when two waiters threw him on the pavement, he tried to he tried to he tried to stand up with a joint by joint, and he dusted his clothes. Arrest him now, but an elusive dream. Now he think that arrest seemed now, but an elusive dream. Elusive means difficult to find. It is very difficult. He think that it is difficult to find the dream. And what was his dream? That policeman come and arrest him and took him into prison. The island seemed very far away. The policeman who stood before the drugstore doors away laughed and walked down the street. Okay, where the waiters threw Soapy on pavement, and he tried to stand up and he dusted his clothes. He think that it is very difficult to find out his to find the dream, and his dream was that policeman come and arrest him and took him into prison. This is his dream, and it is very difficult to fulfill his dream. Okay. And on the contrary, the policeman who stood before the drugstore, two doors away, he also laughed and walked down the street. Okay. Sophie was seized with the sudden fear, and some dreadful enchantment had rendered means made, had rendered him immune to the arrest. He was in the state of panic, and when he came upon another policeman lounging grandly in front of a glittering theatre, he caught at the immediate straw of the disorderly conduct. Okay. He want that the policeman come toward him, and he arrest him and took him into the prison. But it is not possible for it is not possible, because he thought that this is very difficult for him to complete his dream. Okay. Now, um, Sophie thought that it was enchantment had rendered immune to arrest. He was a state of panic, and when he came upon another policeman laughing grandly in front of a glittering theater. Okay. And he caught at the immediate straw of the disorderly conduct. Okay. Now Sophie thought that when he rendered there in front of the theater, then the policeman came and caught him immediately, and also took him in the prison because of his disorderly conduct. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम रुकते हैं.